Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this heat wave effect to help improve your video when you just don't know what to add. Starting off, I'm going to go right here to our bottom left, go to new and create our adjustment layer right here. It's going to hold all of our effects for our video right here. We're going to go ahead and add motion tile, drag in motion tile and put our output width at 70 right here. Close this out, then we're going to go ahead and add colorama. Drag in colorama right here. Go to our output cycle, go to use preset palette, and we're going to click fire. Close out the colorama effect right here. Go ahead and add noise, drag in noise, turn off use color noise. So I'm going to crank up our noise all the way up to around 20. And maybe I might increase it around to 40. Let's see how that looks. Maybe 45. Maybe that's too much, around 30. 30 is a pretty good point right there. I'm going to close this out. And you actually do need a paid plugin for this effect. It is called Signal. I'll make sure to link it inside the description below. Go ahead and drag Signal. We're going to put it on VHS LP. We're going to go ahead and turn off our hue noise and our colorama loss. Go to our luma modulation right here and turn off tape errors. Close this out. And yeah, that is how you create this nice and simple heat wave effect for your next edit or music video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or go ahead and share that video. It does help me and it helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on staying creative and keep on working hard. Peace out.